Hello, I'm Birbadurai from Group-06. This is our final project for CISA Section 4360 Managing Network Services. As per our project requirement, we have to shift our VMware resources to the open resources. For that, we have chosen the Proxmox virtual environment, and we have created 3 virtual nodes in our physical computers. And this is our node 1, and the other one is our node 2, and then other last one is node 3. So we have 3 physical nodes which is installed on a classroom desktop. So these are the 3 physical nodes that we have installed, and once we install this Proxmox in physical computer, we have to make it cluster so that it is highly available. So for that, we have to manage individual nodes, where we have to create cluster, install chef, and then install VM underneath. So first, this is the node 1. As I have already installed the nodes and already finished all of the work, I'll just briefly explain what I have done. So for that, first we have to create cluster and join the cluster. After that, we have to install chef, and then after installing chef, we have to do 3 things: create monitor, storage pool, and then OSDF. OSDF stands for Object Storage Daemon, where each Proxmox node has own OSD managing its local disks with these 3 nodes, so it can replicate with each other and make it highly available. Once you create the storage and all, the health status will be okay, which means that here the HA will be running. Like I said before, first thing after installing Shape is to join. First thing that we have to do after creating a physical node is to join the cluster. So here we have to join the cluster here, and once we create a cluster in one node, then other 2 will join by clicking on a join, and the information that we get from first node that we created a cluster. So after that, first creating cluster and then joining it, and then installing a chef, and then creating monitor, and then pool storage, and then creating storage for the chef. And once we are done with that one, then we have to once we create the storage, we have to upload the VM image to the local storage, and then after that we have to install the VM. So like I said, this is a monitor that I have created. There are 3 nodes, so each node will have its own monitor. So there are 3 monitors running on this. So each node will have 3 monitors. So node 1 monitor, node 2 monitor, and node 3 monitors. So this is the OSDF. The OSDF stands for Object Storage Daemon. So if one storage goes down, then other one will be available, so that it can replicate between these 2. So after that, we have to, like I said, we have to upload the image here, VM image here, which I have already done that, and I'm going to install Linux Mint 20. So after that, we have to install the VM. Our project has a 5 layer. Layer 1 is a physical hardware layer where 3 Proxmox servers is running, and then layer 2 is storage layer where Chef replicates all the VM disks across all 3 servers, and then layer 3 is a virtual machines. We have installed Linux Mint 20 on each server, and layer 4 is Kubernetes, where we have installed MicroK8s running on all 3 VMs, and layer 5 is AI services, where we have deployed Olama with 3 DeepSeek with 3 AI models like DeepSeek, Queens, and then Olama. So this is our VM. Like we have like 3 VMs running on each physical server. So after that, I will show you like our AI models later on, where we can deploy, where we deployed our AI models. And this is our like this is our YAML file. Here is our Olama deployment file. It tells Kubernetes to run one instance of our custom Olama container using our locally imported image. We expose it on a port 31134, so we can access it from our own browser for testing. So once we have done that, this is our AI deployment. So here we can go to the models that we have created. So here is our Olama 3.1 which we have created, and we can get the reply from here. So this is our AI. So it will reply back to us same. So we have deployed 3 AI models: Olama, DeepSeek, and then Queens. So here are the reply that we are getting from. So to conclude, we have built a complete sovereign AI platform from the scratch using only open resources, software, and existing hardware. We have replaced our VMware resources with Proxmox and Safe for highly available. We deployed Kubernetes cluster running 3 local AI models: Llama, Queens, and DeepSeek. We have created web interface and lobe chat and network monitor in Docker. So this is the DeepSeek that we have created, and my friend is here. So
thank you for joining us in the project tour.